Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be making for you guys spaghetti squash. Yes, this is a spaghetti squash. It's a great substitute for spaghetti. It is healthy and gluten-free, so stick around and watch this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video, and also leave me a comment down below. Please stay tuned. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven on 400 degrees. This recipe you're going to need a 2.5 pound, a pound, 3 pound, any size spaghetti squash you got. You're going to need some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, this is 1 tablespoon, and you need some olive oil, canola oil, any oil you want to use, and your spaghetti squash. Please ensure you wash your spaghetti before using it. So we're just gonna cut this way. And this is the inside. So this is what gonna turn. This is what gonna give it the spaghetti look inside. All of this is gonna come together and make it look like pasta. So you're just gonna take out the middle, the inside, the gut, and you can save this seed to roast. Wash them off and roast. Okay, just take out the inside like this. You can use a spoon, an ice cream scoop, anything you want to use to take it out. See, easy, nice and clean. Now we're just gonna do the other one. See, nice and clean, all done. Now we're gonna add our garlic powder. And this is going to give it a nice flavor. I'm just going to add it onto it like this on the inside. And now we're going to use our Italian season. You can use whatever brand you want. And if you don't have any Italian season, you can just use rosemary, oregano, and some ground pepper and salt. But this got all of it, and I'm just using 1 teaspoon of this season on top. And it's gonna give it a nice flavor, smell. Oh my god, that rosemary is smelling so good already. And now we're just gonna coat this with our oil, whatever oil you use. Now we're just gonna coat this. After coating this, you're just gonna grease your baking tin or baking tray, whatever you guys using. I'm using a cooking tray. And you're just going to turn your squash down like this, facing down. And you're gonna put them into the oven to bake until they're tender or soft for at least 45 minutes. You'll know when they're done because you can feel the difference in texture. So that's it. Just gonna put them into the oven right now. Have it, guys. This is it, guys. Look at this beautiful squash. And as I said before, you can know because you're gonna feel the texture different. And look at that beautiful color, caramel color. See? Now we're just gonna scrape the sides like this. Beautiful color and beautiful flavor coming up from it. 400 degrees in the oven for 45 minutes. And this is a beautiful spaghetti squash. Look at the colors, guys. If you already reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.